Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, guys, please click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. And also, guys, if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you'll find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to the comment section, see the link to our Telegram channel, and follow us there. We'll be putting an update for you guys there. We'll be putting out one or two useful informations for you guys on that Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So yesterday I did analysis for the 29th, right? I told you guys that GBPUSD will be giving you a pullback, and this is exactly what GBPUSD has done. It has eventually given us this pullback. Now it is now ready for the buy, which means the bullish move. Now take a look at this movement. Let's start from here. This is the higher highs here, and here is the higher lows. This is the new higher highs, and here comes the higher lows. If you take a look at this, this is the new higher highs, right? Here comes the higher lows. Now, this is the new higher highs, and here comes the higher lows. This here, what do you see? A new higher highs, and literally an higher lows is playing out. So we will be expecting a little bit of a drop. Guess what next we'll be expecting? A new higher high. So basically, after this higher loss is complete, we should be expecting a new higher highs on GBP USD. So let's now go to the 1 hour time frame. So this, pretty much our resistance level, right? So we should just see GBP USD come to this our resistance level. Sorry, our support level. This is the support level. So let's see it drop to this our support level, and we should look to go long. So GBP USD is now ready for the buy. Do not forget to follow us on Telegram. You will see the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section.